Hello everyone, welcome to Europedia Global. So today I am here with one more exciting PhD position, and this position is specifically for the student with background from the aerospace engineering and mechanical engineering, and other domains are also eligible provided they possess some aligning projects and publications and skills in the requirement of this position. So guys, on Europedia Global, we keep on sharing with you some latest PhD position. Those are fully funded from the prestigious and top QS ranked university. So if you're aspiring for PhD abroad, stay tuned with us, connect with us for any kind of assistance you needed. On every Thursday or Saturday, there are free interaction session or guidance session for PhD abroad. We don't charge any monetary from you people for that. You can join and avail those services. You can interact directly with the mentors of Europedia Global who themselves are pursuing their PhD abroad. So if you are into that state, whatever I quoted just now, please fill the Google form and get connected with the mentors. So let us start with this position. This position is in Bio-Aero Lab of University of South Florida, and basically PhD position in bio-inspired aerodynamics. So as you can see, they also mention some description. The bio-inspired aerodynamics lab Bio-Aero at the University of South Florida seeks candidate for fully funded PhD position to join as early as possible. There is no last specific date. It's a rolling basis position. Once they find a suitable candidate, this position will be closed. So now they had told here, what are the requirements? So they have several projects that involve analytical and numerical approaches to study problems in the field of fluid structure, interaction and steady aerodynamics. So if you're basically from the background of mechanical, aerospace, and you got some good hands-on exposure on the study of fluid dynamics or fluid structure, then you may basically relate your past experiences and exposure with the requirement of this PhD position, and this may be a best fit for you people, right? So they had put their qualification at least a BSc in aerospace engineering or a closely related subject with high achievements in mathematics and fluid mechanics. So what I understood that there are BTech mechanical people, they too have the good understanding of the fluid dynamics and mechanics and also fluid mechanics, and they have good hands-on exposure over the mathematics also. They also can think of applying for this position, right? So they have also mentioned what are the preferable candidates. So if you got MSc in aerospace engineering or closely related subject, then also you are the preferred candidate, and that will be advantageous for you, right? And then they mention research experience in the related field and experience with MATLAB and or programming. So guys, it's so obvious in today's time, if you are applying for any kind of position, you must be well versed with the MATLAB. That is the fundamental requirement, and they are also posting the same thing. So all the graduates out there who are having some past experience related to the requirement of this position, and they belong to aerospace or mechanical and got some good hands-on exposure of the fluid mechanics and mathematical modeling, then you are the right person to apply for this position. So now what they told, you need to email to Dr. Sonia Tychomins, and email ID is mentioned here, and use title Bio-Aero Lab PhD. This title you must use, okay? So please be comply with these kind of the instruction whatever being provided here. So as I told you, what you need to share in the email, there are few set of the document. You can see the first one is a cover letter, a single page describing your background and research interest. So guys, when you are writing cover letter, see there are only 4 set of questions you need to answer. Who are you, right? What are you doing currently? Third, why you are writing this letter, and fourth, why you are the best fit for this position. Don't write unnecessary vague theories. Nobody will read. They will be not interested in reading the lot of vague stuff. So write your cover letter very specific to the requirement of this position. I told there are 4 WH questions which you need to answer, right? So align your cover letter in that direction only. And if you need any kind of the help or assistance, you can take the assistance of the mentors of Europedia Global. You can put down in the comment section that I need help in writing the cover letter. Every week on, I guess, Friday, we schedule one session where we tell you people how to write the cover letter. Similarly on Thursday, how to write CV. Similarly on the Saturday, we got how to write the SOP. So that all things are concluded in the mentorship program of the Europedia Global. So second, they are asking CV or resume, including GPA. Again, I have seen many times when students start writing their CV, there is lot of unnecessary information, irrelevant information. It may happen you might have done 10 to 15 projects. It may happen you might have done 4 to 5 internship. So you don't need to mention them all. Don't not unnecessarily increase the size of CV. Just put the relevant information top on the order and in detail, because professor will find interest in your CV only if he find the relevant information as per his prerequisite. So you need to tailor your CV accordingly, so that whatever skills they mentioned in this entire advertisement, they got reflected to the professor as a learner. Then only he will engage with your profile, then only he will be in position to evaluate your profile effectively and make a decision in your favor in terms of the admits and scholarship, right? So then they told transcript, unofficial are fine. See, in India we call it the detail mark certificate, and in abroad we call it the transcript. Transcript is a document where grades and marks or evaluation for each subject and lab you have taken, they are mentioned very properly. So professor will be interested to know what is your performance in the subject like mathematics, in the subject like fluid mechanics, and on. That is why he is asking for the transcript. Okay, so then it's about the contact information for 2 references. See, I always tell students, whenever they are applying abroad, at least 2 references are required. If you're working professional, then 1 reference must be from your employer, from your current organization, and 1 from your academic which you attended the last and latest one. If you are fresher, then both the references must be from your academic or the institution which you are attending or which you attended the latest. Okay, and guys, better if you can mention the name of those professor under whom you have done the courses like fluid mechanics, like mathematics, and under whom you exercise some project or some publication or some internship, etc. Because then that professor will be in better position to write about your ability for the success in this program, and professor, this Sonia, can more resonate with the requirement of his or her, and then he can make or she can make a decision about your candidature. So guys, these all informations are mentioned here in this advertisement. So I always again repeat that these kind of many PhD position we keep on sharing with you people here on the platform of the Europedia Global, or we can say every day we are covering 8 to 10 PhD position, and I am sure this will be aligning with any of your requirement, and it will definitely help you. Don't delay, proceed the application as early as possible, and don't forget to take the assistance of the mentors of Europedia Global to refine your document and to maximize your selection probability. I wish you all the best. Thank you.